Hi, this is Greg Pally with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about, can a spray foam roof get holes or punctures? Newsflash, every roofing system can get holes or punctures, every single one. But how do they get repaired? Will they cause a leak? Important stuff that building owners want to know when these things happen to the roof. So first thing is, how does a hole happen on a spray foam roof? It could be a sharp branch. It could be nails that get dropped and stepped on will puncture a hole. It could be sharp tools or heavy tools. Spray foam roof is real strong. It's 50 to 60 PSI, per inch, but it's mostly to do with the sharpness of the object more than the weight of it. So if you have a sharp nail and you step on it, it's going to go through, or a sharp screw that can cause a hole. But when those happen, will that cause a leak? The answer is no. And the answer is because spray foam is closed cell. I'll draw a quick little picture here for you. So it's going to be a bad drawing of a roof. But say this is your spray foam roof, it's 1.5 inches thick, and here's the hole that happened. Spray foam is closed cell, which means when water gets in here, it's just going to stay in that hole. It's not going to go into anything underneath and spread horizontally through the system or vertically. It's just going to stay in this hole. Other roofing systems like single ply or metal that have, polyiso or XPS types of insulation underneath, water will get in and saturate it and start moving everywhere. So one little insertion or one little hole can literally cause the whole insulation to get saturated and eventually get to your deck and cause a leak. So that's the difference between spray foam and every other roofing system out there. So how does it get repaired? Basically, you just cut a hole around the area there, either dry it out with some type of heat or with a towel, and then fill it in with caulk or some type of coating and smooth it out, and the roof is back to where it was before. So pretty simple there. What happens if you ignore these holes? Over time, the sun will, intensify the water in those holes, could make the spray foam kind of degrade a little bit. No roof will last as long as it's supposed to be if there's water sitting there. So within 6 months, you want to have someone to come up on that roof and make those repairs. And then, are holes and punctures covered under warranty? The answer is no. Warranties are only, does the material work how it's supposed to work, and is the workmanship good? But any acts of God, like a thunderstorm or worker error or user error, isn't covered, which is why we always suggest someone do a maintenance contract with a roofing contractor. Get an expert on your roof, recognize those holes, fix them real quick, and the roof will last exactly as you intended it to last. So that's it in a nutshell. If you want some more information, in the description there's the URL to the blog post with more stuff in it. And hope you learned something new today, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.